In a small town tucked between tall, snowy mountains, lived a young girl named Lucy. Lucy loved winter more than anything in the world. She loved the soft, white snowflakes that drifted from the sky like tiny feathers, the way the air grew crisp and cold, and how everything outside looked like a beautiful postcard. But more than anything, Lucy loved her grandmother's old snow globe. It wasn't just any snow globe. It had been passed down from grandmother to grandmother, and now it belonged to Lucy. The globe was small, round, and sparkling, with a wooden base carved with little snowflakes and pine trees. Inside, there was a tiny village covered in snow. Tiny houses with smoke rising from their chimneys, little people wearing warm clothes, and tiny animals running through the snow. When Lucy shook the globe, the snow inside swirled around, and she imagined the little village coming to life. Every evening, after the sun had set and the snowflakes were falling gently outside, Lucy would sit by the window with the globe in her hands. She would shake it carefully, watching the snow swirl and imagining that she was in the village herself, walking among the tiny houses and playing in the soft snow. Sometimes, when the snowstorm outside was especially strong, she would wish aloud, "Oh, I wish I could visit that village inside the globe. I wonder what it's like to live there." One cold winter's evening, when the wind was howling outside and the snow was coming down in thick, swirling flakes, Lucy was sitting by the window with her snow globe. She shook it again, like she always did, and sighed as she watched the snow spin inside. But this time, something strange happened. The snow didn't just spin, it began to glow. At first, Lucy thought it was just her imagination, but then she noticed the globe was vibrating softly in her hands. She leaned in closer. The soft glow was brighter now, and the little houses inside the globe seemed to be sparkling. Suddenly, there was a soft, musical hum, and Lucy felt something warm and comforting fill the room. The next thing she knew, the room seemed to grow quiet, and the snow globe in her hands started to feel lighter. She blinked. She wasn't holding the globe anymore. Lucy looked around and gasped. She wasn't in her cozy room anymore. Instead, she was standing in the middle of the tiny village she had always seen inside the snow globe. The houses were larger than she'd imagined, but everything else was just as she had dreamed. The snowy streets, the tiny pine trees dusted with snow, and the little people walking around in their winter coats. The air smelled fresh and cold, just like the snowflakes outside her window at home. Before Lucy could take it all in, a friendly voice called out to her. "Well, hello there. You must be new." Lucy turned around to see a jolly old man with a big white beard and rosy cheeks. He was wearing a green scarf and a woolen hat, and he was smiling warmly at her. I don't know how I got here," Lucy stammered, looking around in awe. "I was just holding my snow globe, and then I was here." The old man chuckled. "Ah, you found the magic of the snow globe. You're not the first to visit, you know." "Magic," Lucy whispered. She couldn't believe it. "You mean, this village is real?" The old man nodded. "It's very real. But only special people like you can visit it. You must have a kind heart and a lot of imagination. And a little bit of snowstorm magic never hurts either. Lucy's eyes lit up. Can I really explore the village? Of course, said the man with a twinkle in his eye. Come with me, and I'll show you around. He led Lucy through the village, pointing out all the little houses, each one unique and cozy, with smoke rising from their chimneys and warm light glowing from the windows. There were children playing in the snow, building snowmen and snow forts. Some of the villagers were skating on a frozen pond, while others were busy carrying baskets of fresh-baked bread from the bakery. This place is incredible, Lucy exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. We're lucky, the old man said. We have snow nearly all the time. It's a peaceful village, full of warmth and kindness. It's magical, but not in the way you might think. The magic comes from the people who live here, people who care for one another and for the world around them. It's a place where happiness and wonder are never far away. Lucy smiled. She felt happy just being there. As they walked through the village, she met more of the villagers. There was a woman who ran the bakery, baking sweet-smelling treats that made Lucy's mouth water. There were children who invited her to play in the snow, and she had the best snowball fight she had ever experienced. They all treated her like an old friend, as if they had known her forever. As the sun began to set, casting a warm orange glow over the snowy streets, the old man turned to Lucy. I'm afraid it's almost time for you to return home, my dear. Lucy's heart sank. She didn't want to leave. She had only just arrived, and the village felt like a dream come true. I don't want to go, she said quietly. I wish I could stay here forever. The old man smiled gently. You will always carry a piece of this village in your heart, and whenever you need to visit again, you only have to think of it, and you'll return. But remember, the magic is not just in the village. It's inside you. It's the magic of kindness, of imagination, and of believing in the wonder of the world. Just as Lucy was about to say something else, a soft wind blew through the village. The snowflakes began to swirl, and Lucy suddenly felt herself being lifted off the ground. She closed her eyes, and when she opened them again, she was back in her room, sitting by the window with her snow globe in her hands. It had all happened so quickly. She looked around her room, half expecting to see the tiny village again. But everything was as it had been before. Lucy smiled and shook the snow globe one more time. As she watched the snow swirl inside, she felt the same warmth and happiness she had felt in the village. The old man's words echoed in her mind, "Magic is inside you." From that day on, whenever Lucy needed a little bit of magic, she would hold the snow globe in her hands and close her eyes. She would imagine the village, the laughter of the children, the warmth of the bakery, and the gentle snowfall. And she would remember that no matter where she was, the magic of kindness and imagination was always with her. And every time a snowstorm rolled in, Lucy would smile, knowing that the village inside her snow globe was waiting for her, ready to share its magic once more. If you enjoyed this story and found it interesting, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories. Your engagement helps us create more content that resonates with you and our community. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and never stop exploring.